So hello everyone, I am back with a new video and that is about the exercise of lesson number 1, plants around us. So in this video I will discuss the notes and please be ready with your pen and notebook so that you can copy the notes. So see, first question is that choose the correct option. See, now identify the part of a plant that carries both nutrients and water to the entire plant. Any guesses? Yes, stem carries it. So our first answer is stem. Now second answer is C. Which of the following is not a function of the roots? Function of the roots? Yes, there are three functions, but one of them is incorrect. Roots prepare food for the plants. This is the incorrect statement in all the four. Now third one. Answer is C. The main function of a stem is. What is the main function? Any guesses? Yes, its main function is to conduct water and nutrients. Now fourth one is C. Which of the following is not a characteristics of shrub? Characteristics of a shrub. Yes, woody stems. It doesn't have any woody stems. So our answer is woody stems. Now fifth one. C. Which of the following is not a part of a flower? Part of a flower. See, in option there is root. Root is a part of a flower? No, it is not a part of flower. So our fifth answer is root. So I am giving you 10. Please copy down it. Okay, so that. So now I will rub the board and next question. Question number B, that is fill in the blanks. Okay. Okay, now first question is what? C. The stems get water from the. Where does the stems get water? Yes, any guesses? Yes, correct. Root. From root they get. Okay. Now next question is the part of a plant that prepares food is. Which part of plant prepares food? Leaf? Yes, correct. Leaf. Now third one answer. See. The portion of the stem between node is the means. See, I have told you that a plant. I have told you that. See, this is a plant. Okay. So see, this is called the node, and between the places, this is called the internode. So they are asking that only. So the portion between the stem and the this, what does it call? What do we call that? So that is internode. Now our fourth one answer. What is fourth one answer? See, plants with dash venation usually have one cotyledons. Which venation? Parallel or reticulate? Yes, parallel venation has one cotyledon. Okay, so now next question is the female reproductive part of a flower is called. Yes, in the last video only we learned, and that is pistil. Okay, so now let's do the question number 3, and that is true or false. Okay, see, first one question is C. All plants have leaves with parallel venation. No, it is false. one is, in a taproot system, there is one main root and the several lateral roots. Yes, correct. We have learned that in the first part. It is true. Now, the third one is the stem can only conduct water and minerals upward in the plant. False. It is false. Leaves can also conduct. Now, fourth one is what? See. Pollination is in flowers takes place only by wind or water. No, it takes place with insects also. So it is false. So see, fifth one. Apical buds are responsible for the growth of the plants. Yes. There is not given that apical birds, only apical birds. There are given apical birds. There is not mentioned only, so it is true. So, okay. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for the next part of exercise. Till that, bye.